Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss about some birds. Kingfisher. There are many species of kingfisher, most of their species found in tropical regions of Oceania, Asia, Africa, but also can be seen in Europe. They usually live near river, pond and lakes. They are famous for hunting and eating fish. Some of their species live away from water and depends on small invertebrates. Peacock. They are the national bird of India. Peacocks are actually male. Female are known as peahens. They are mostly found in India, Sri Lanka, Java, Myanmar, and also in Africa. Pigeon. One of the domestic bird is pigeon. They are fast. They are mail carriers. They can be weather reporter. They can recognize themselves. They can produce milk. They are navigation expert. After all, they are all in one bird. There are many kinds of pigeon like domestic pigeon, king pigeon, Barbary dove, Indian fantail pigeon, Modena pigeon, and many more. Crows. Crows are one of the smart bird. They can remember faces. Crows have large brain. They are primarily scavenger birds and have responsible for cleaning our environments. That's why they are known as sweeper bird or nature sweeper. Parrot. Parrots are one of the birds in the world capable of mimicking human speech. They have intelligence to learn fast. Mostly, they are found in tropical areas. There are many species of parrots. Humans keep them as a pet. Thank you.